Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money inside of Polymarket. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, we need to go ahead and open up a web browser and head on over to polymarket.com and sign into your account. Now, if you don't see this deposit button, is because you're not in a region or location where you can use Polymarket. So there are ways around that. Just think outside the box. Now, once you are in a region to deposit money, you're going to get this blue deposit button like so. So go ahead and click on deposit money. And now we've got a few different ways how to deposit money inside of Polymarket once it loads. So it's going to open up our wallet. It's going to show us our Polymarket balance. So we've got a few options here. So we can deposit with card and just go through the process there. We can, and that is a 5-minute wait. We've got a deposit with SEPA. It's no limit on 1 to 2 business days. We can connect exchange, and this is no limit, and a 2-minute turnaround, and deposit with PayPal, so 10 grand, up to 10 grand in 5 minutes there. So just go ahead and click one and just go through the processes to go ahead and deposit. So say for example, I want to deposit with my card, I'm going to click onto that. And now say if I want to put in say £90, and then I can choose my provider once it loads. So we've got MoonPay, Alchemy Pay. So we've got a few different ways to what we can use. So I'm just going to do MoonPay. It's the fastest, and then click continue. Now it's going to open up a new page, and we're going to put in our banking details and that stuff. We might need to sign up for MoonPay as well. Now once you've deposited money, it's going to come back to this page here, and then your portfolio or cash is going to be updated, and you can start making some bets inside of Polymarket.